can see that we've started with all of our t-shirts, and basically I'm just going to take them and cut them in half, and then we'll make them into whatever blocks they want to be. It's your basic t-shirt quilt coming up. These are specifically for my daughter's best friend. She has some shirts from high school and some shirts from college, and we're gonna make them come together. I've got my stack of t-shirts, and I've separated some sleeves that had some things on them, or some long sleeves that I didn't feel like cutting in half because I can get more out of this hole. You can go now and check out what kind of pattern you want to do with all of this stuff, you know, see what you got and how it's going to lay out, because they're not all going to be the same size, because there's some with little logos and there's some with big logos. So, you know, you're going to have to lay it out. Now's the time where you can either decide on the pattern and get things to match the pattern, or you can still start cutting out what you got and make it into a pattern as you go. If you have watched any of my videos, you know that I'm more of the type to cut out what I've got and then see what works. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I've got a whole bunch of stuff cut out in various sizes. That's my pile of, okay, I'll use that for filler. And I've got some squares that are similar and others that are just very different. I'm going to take them, lay them out, and see what I get that might look pretty. Okay, first you might want to see how I'm doing this. Basically, I'm finding something that I like. That guy. Okay, so I'm going to take all of this to the machine. I'm going to show you what I'm about to do with this section that's a little bit different. Oh, by the way, right side's up all the time, you know. Right side on a jersey is the side that is like lines. It's the knit side, not the purl side. Okay, now I can add him to one of these long guys. Like that. I just treat him all like he's one thing. Making sure right sides are together. Under as I come on the opposite side, because those two I just let go that way. Okay, so this is going to attach to here now. And we're going to keep going down the line. I've got my first strip done. This is going left to right. This is the first strip going down the whole bed. It's a little bit long, obviously. Okay, and I'm going to put a different color up at the top for the big border, but all of these have a little bit of border, except for the ones that are wide enough to span the whole width. And I used a lot of the colors over again to make it cohesive. And there we go. There it is. Now I will be starting on the next line over. This one had a few images that weren't a straight line, so it's going to be a little bit trickier, but I'm going to start with the things that are in a straight line, and then I'm going to go back up to the top, probably after I do the next row, the things that are in a straight line, and then kind of fit in the pieces that weren't as I go.